See, it's amazing. This is in the Netherlands. Almere City in the Netherlands. It's just amazing. You can see the footpath. Just amazing. Trees all covered with snow. Wow, this is lovely. Watch behind me. This is just amazing. See the wonders of God. See, just okay. This is where people normally walk for exercise, you know. Some people walk their dogs, family walk together. It's all covered with snow. See, it's amazing though. All super covered with snow. See that snow? See? This is beautiful. Beautiful view. Yeah. If I take a walk with you outside, like I said, this is in the bush, in the woods, not in the bush, woods, where we take a walk for exercise and other things.